Namaste. Let's begin our practice focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with wrist rotations, reach your arms forward, making a light fist. Bending at the wrist, make small circles, covering as much space as possible. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. And release, adding a stretch for your fingers, wrists, and forearms. Rotate your right palm away, and with your left hand, starting with the thumb, gently stretch. Continue to the pointer finger, spreading the fingers wide, lengthening through your wrist. Moving to the middle finger, the ring finger, and lastly the pinky finger. Keep spreading your fingers wide. Release and shake your hands out, moving the energy. Repeat to the opposite side. Turn your left palm away, fingertips pointing down. Starting with your thumb, gently stretch. As you continue stretching one finger at a time, keep spreading your fingers wide, stretching the ligaments all the way up into your arm. Release and shake your hands out. Flick the fingers. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers. Bend at the wrist with the right fingertips pointing down and the left pointing upward, stretching through the wrists, hands, and fingers. Switch, bending at the wrist in the opposite direction, with your right fingertips pointing upward and your left pointing down. Keeping your fingers interlaced, reach your arms forward, lengthening through your wrists. Transitioning into a modified CatCow stretch. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release, returning to center. Transitioning into a lateral stretch. Reach your left hand to your right leg and your right arm to the sky, reaching up and over to the left, breathing wide into your right side body. Adding a lateral neck stretch, clasp your right hand beneath the chair. Use your left hand to support the weight of your head as you relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. To release, use your left hand to lift your head to upright. Repeating this sequence to the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, lengthening through the left side body. Continue lifting up and out of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips. Adding a lateral neck stretch, clasp your left hand beneath the chair as you relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, using your right hand to support the weight of your head. To release, use your right hand to support the weight of your head, returning to center. Transitioning into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Transitioning into shoulder shrugs. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release, relaxing. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Transitioning into a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body, using your left arm to gently guide it in, reaching energetically through your right fingertips. Release and repeat to the opposite side as you continue sitting tall with your shoulders down and back. Release, returning to center. Transitioning into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg and your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lift through your sternum, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Exhale to unwind and repeat to the opposite side, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around the eyes, behind the eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your breath to be easy and natural, simply paying attention to each inhalation and exhalation as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.